Meaning of Emma.
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 Emma. Emma is a feminine given name of Germanic origin, which means whole or universal. The name gained popularity in the 19th century, particularly in England, due to its use in Jane Austen's novel Emma. It has since become a timeless classic and has been used widely across different cultures and languages. Today, the name Emma is associated with characteristics such as kindness, beauty, and intelligence, and is a popular choice for parents looking for a name that is both traditional and modern.